Hi everyone, it's GTU Courses, and today we're gonna try a new format for our videos. We're gonna review some open positions for work as a software engineer. For today's video, we're gonna review what we have on a Glassdoor, and we will try location, for example, London. Like London, there are a lot of open positions, and we could find something interesting. Yeah, but if you are interested in reviewing open positions on LinkedIn or another platform, please let me know in the comment section. And also hit subscribe to this channel and also like this video. I will know that you're interested in this topic and I'll do more in next videos. Okay, so for now, let's start with something simple. We're gonna just search for C#, what we have in the search for this by this keyword. So C#, London, England. Okay, and let's filter all that by time, like last week, just not to review some old open positions because they could be not relevant anymore. Okay, what we have here, software engineer manager, trusted informations Ltd. Let's look at the description. Okay, again, I'm not gonna do some review on the salary for this vacancy because again for this positions, because salary it's a personal thing. For one person it could be enough, for even more than enough. For somebody it could be not enough. So we're just gonna review job descriptions and what we have. So what kind of open positions we have, what technologies they are looking for, etc, etc. Okay, company trusted transformational Ltd. Okay, software engineer manager, job description. Okay, what we have here? Yes, some startup that founded in 2014. So it's this position. It's not even for C#. Okay. They are looking for some backend, or not backend, full stack developer, but not on the for C#, PHP, Laravel, Python, JavaScript, Python, Docker. Okay, no. For today, we're gonna find some positions for as a .NET developer. So let's search for keyword .NET. Okay, yeah, much better. And yeah, and let's filter this by date posted last week. Okay, .NET, London, last week, open positions. So what we have here? So Shawbrook Bank, good rating, senior backend engineer. Okay, engineering, post date of postage, provides work with us because you want to be a part of a bank. Okay, yes, we very want to be a part of your bank. Agile methodologies, you'll work with KA team. So, you must be able to work across multiple facets or project to be able to juggle multiple responsibilities. Okay, so it's not, you will be hired not for some like dedicated project, but in like within company at all. Probably you'll be switched between different projects. Okay, responsibilities: work as a part of the product focused team. Okay, growing team, blah blah blah. Probably we have some legacy products there because complex software issues is okay. So probably we have a large code base already. Mentor software engineers, yeah, but for senior, yeah, of course. Technologies, .NET 5.6, yeah, well, yeah, makes sense. And .NET Core, again, what I told you. So I believe they already have some big code base. So they're looking for not only for a person who could not only implement new features, but also somebody to support old one, legacy code. Well, of course, Azure, SQL, microservices. Well, we'll see. But personally, I think they made that statement like they are looking for a person with experience in microservice, but I'm not really believe that they are implementing like microservice architecture as it should be. I believe probably there are some parts of microservice architecture, but I believe it's probably there are just services that communicate with each other, like service-oriented architecture. Okay, reward. Okay, so what I think about this vacancy is about this position is that they looking for person. They have a big code base and they are looking for some experienced developer who could like quickly understand what's going on the project and even in different projects and could support large code base and also implement new features. Well, actually, I believe like for backend engineer, I believe this position is okay. You could like apply. Why not? Formula One. Oh my God. Formula One, guys, like dream job. And from Formula One, but what's going on with the rate? 3.5. Okay, junior software developer. There would be some kind of I presume that there are a lot of legacy code proactively contribute. Yeah, of course, as a part of a small team. So I believe they have a large code base and they wanna find someone who could support all that stuff and they looking for a junior software because they don't wanna pay too much. I don't want to judge like on a payment right now because again for it's a personal thing for everyone. Again, technical support for several it's what I'm talking about. So I believe this position is more for support. They're looking more guy for support. I believe they have a lot of notification services and communication, maybe even Signalar. Or you have some experience. Okay, so what my opinion about this position is that they have a large code base that I believe that is and their application and their services heavily responsible for maybe for some integrations with third-party services. So I believe there are a lot of integration and I believe there are even some legacy code because they want to just to find some person to support that code. What I see, they're not interested in implementing some new stuff, but more on supporting existing one. And I believe there will be a lot of integration stuff. I mean, different API integration, different maybe even SignalR stuff for real-time communication. Maybe I mean with UI. But okay, like if you wanna get some like hype, I personally, I think it's not gonna worth it. Like, sorry, but I think you will have too much responsibilities and work. Like, you will not gonna learn something like fancy or new. Probably you gonna support some legacy stuff, and this is it. But like, if you wanna hype, like, if you wanna say to your friends to your mates that hey buddies, I'm work for Formula One. So yeah, so why not? Like it's okay. Okay, moving forward, what we have here? Vortec Solutions. Okay, software engineer. C++, C Sharp, Agile, Waterfall. Oh, so experience in Python, Perl, Bash. So very interesting. So again, I believe they are looking for guy to support some existing stuff, and this stuff is so it's like a holy cow. I believe nobody wanna touch this. They just wanna keep this running, and this is it. It's true that a lot of companies, a lot of businesses still have some legacy big problems with legacy products that they need to spend some money to just to support. They cannot afford to rewrite the whole system, rewrite the whole application. But so why not? Yeah, probably they will ask you to do some tooling because like Perl, Python, Bash. I believe you will be involved in some scripting activities, some tooling within an organization. Well, okay, moving forward, what we have here. Last week, Pro Writing 8. What they wanna go Angular or React, or they don't know, or we have some parts of Angular, some parts of React. Okay, maintain high code quality. So I believe there are no code quality. If someone states that they gonna maintain high code quality, I believe there are no code quality at all. Like otherwise you're not gonna mention this. Probably you're gonna work on some CMS and you're gonna support existing CMS, CRM system, and help them to improve to write some new modules for this CRM system. Not sure that you'll have an opportunity to learn some fancy stuff working on this position, but like for beginners, especially like 3 6 months, so maybe if you want to try this or maybe switch for some other technology, try that. Maybe it's gonna work. Okay, what we have is Centrica, of course, 3.9. Well, control system software engineer. So so they have some code base already. Ensure best possible performance, so they don't have any metrics. Best possible performance will be a quality. So probably they don't have any metrics. I'm not sure that they even have some kind of automated test. Okay, because otherwise you will not gonna state that you are like when they ensure this, because you are supposing this. Okay, write clean maintainable code because they probably already have a lot of legacy stuff, troubleshooting. Automate deployment of application. Automate. So they wanna like what they wanna. So they have like what does mean automate deployment? You do deployment of your things like by copying and pasting like zip archives to your virtual machines or well, so probably again that's not that bad. I believe if you like switching from some other technology or you want to like nothing horrible, but what I understand from the description of this position that you'll have decent sized team. Not sure that you'll have some dedicated QA team. Probably you're gonna run testings and do testing yourself, and probably they have already a huge code base, and probably this is some kind of monolith, and they kind of trying to break this monolith in some like more usable pieces, kind of regular legacy .NET position. If you are like interested in that, so okay, senior software engineer, supporting group, middle tier components. Ooh, object-oriented JavaScript. jQuery, Ajax, oh my god, Knockout, Backbone. Well, WCF. So again, I believe SignalR, yeah. I believe Team City, Octopus. Oh, so I believe they have some legacy product, and they have to find some person who will support all that mess. I believe there would be a lot of mess, a lot of integration, a lot of rigid stuff going on this product. gRPC. So, but if you're interested in that, well, okay. But personally, I'm not sure that you're gonna like found some fancy stuff. It would be like I believe it would be like a hardcore legacy experience. Okay, Opus recruitment solutions. I cannot tell you really. It's too short description. Okay, senior C# developer, technical architect even. Okay. Oh yes, design patterns, of course, strong C#. Yeah, okay. Security best practices, pair programming. Oh my god. Well, I believe it's some kind of recruiting agency. Let's have a look. Yes, they it's a company. They just it's a recruiting company. Yes, candidates, clients. So yeah, because this position description is too rigid. Client server, client server. So we're gonna skip this. Let's skip it. Okay, we are seeking talented WTW. Okay. Talented C# software engineer. Experience with the full software development cycle. Full software development cycle. Okay. Wherever it means. Version control, test automation, continuous integration, defect and backlog management system. Well, something tells me it's also a company. Let's check. It's a recruiting company, yes? France. Why France? I'm not in France. I cannot really understand what this open position stands for. I would advise to avoid shell. Like, what shell company could lead software engineer, tech lead, solution consultation, design estimation, blah 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 blah. Kind of they looking for the kind of Swiss type, Swiss knife, kind of person that will do wherever they wanted you to do. React, Vue, and Android, Kotlin, iOS. So Shell, who are you looking for? Again, some Swiss knife person. This is it for today. Again, we made a review of some open positions that we found on a Glassdoor for London, for .NET, for the last week. So yeah, if this format is interesting for you, please comment, leave your opinions on what you saw and maybe your personal background, how you do your own analysis of open position, what keywords and what is important for you. And also if you want to review some open position on another platforms like LinkedIn, for example, or on Glassdoor, on for another country, another city, or for another technology, please like this video. Please write your comments with the platform or with the country, with the city, with the technology. So yeah, I'll be glad to do more interesting videos for you. If you like this video and want more interesting videos on our channel, you can support us on Buy Me a Coffee. Please follow the QR code or link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to avoid missing the following videos. Feel free to leave a comment and like this video. You're also welcome to leave any questions in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. And also, I encourage you to help brave people in Ukraine to defend themselves in this horrible war. Please use the QR code or links in the description to visit charitable foundations that help Ukraine. Bye! See you in the next videos.